Can you see yourself in the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado? With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The all-new Silverado builds on its heritage with an improved bed design, increased cargo capacity, customizable technology, refined comfort and safety features, and even bolder strength. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, bed liner. Feel confident and relaxed in the all-new Silverado. Take it out for a road test and fall in love.